Now you're going to pour 3 tablespoons of ghee into a kadai. That is the iron vessel that you're going to use to cook this chicken, the cashew nut chicken curry. Dropped in the ginger garlic paste, and you're going to cook the paste a little while till it's done, till the raw flavor goes off from the oil, from the ghee. Now you're going to add half the coriander leaves, not the full, half of it into the oil, and the green chilies. Stir for a little while. Put in the coriander powder, the chili powder, the turmeric powder into the ghee, and you're going to stir for just a little while. And now you're going to drop in tomatoes and let it cook for some time. Stir for a little while. The hot flavored smell of the tomatoes are coming. I'm going to add in the chicken pieces and going to mix it well. When you add the powder, you should lower the flame so that the chili powder doesn't get burnt. Keep stirring there. It's going to give you a very good flavor. You can use it for chapati. This is all home cooking. This is grandma's cooking. Stir till the oil comes out from the chicken pieces. The oil shows. Ghee is very good for health. It's vitamin E. This is all healthy food. Oil is showing from the sides. Now you're going to pour in the ground paste, the onions, the cashew nuts, and the kashkash, the poppy seeds, the 3 that you have grinded very finely into a paste. You're going to pour it into this and let it get cooked. Chicken gets cooked very fast. You had previously cooked the onions and then you ground it. It's ground finely with the cashew nut and the kashkash. See, now I've poured in the ground paste and you're going to mix it well. The smell of cashew nuts and the poppy seeds, it's coming out. You're going to really enjoy this curry. This flavor of coriander leaves. It's going to get cooked till the oils come out from the side and the meat gets cooked, the chicken. I'm going to add in the rest of the coriander leaves and let it boil. You have to close it with a lid and let it boil. And now you're going to drop in the fenugreek powder and the garam masala powder together into the curry. It's going to give you a special taste. Let it cook for 3 minutes and it will be done. See, yummy taste is coming, yummy smell, the flavor is good. It's a special Kerala dish, a special homemade Kerala dish, usually made in Kerala homes. It's boiling, it's getting cooked, it's getting done. You're really going to enjoy this curry. It's closed, it's getting cooked, it's getting ready. You're really going to enjoy this homemade curry. Using a kadai is always healthy. It's good for health and it gives a special flavor for chickens. No coconut is needed for this curry. There you are. It's in your serving dish, all hot and steaming. Wonderful cashew nut chicken curry from Kerala. You're going to garnish it with coriander leaves. There you are. There you can enjoy hot steaming cashew nut curry. Thank you.